Good bird. Okay, today is flea powder day. Good morning.
Good morning. Con mèo nó đẹp quá chứ, nó một tấm rưỡi. 4-5 con đó mà đi hết rồi. Mèo quang mà. Không có trên núi. 4 con được còn con. Bây giờ ông thấy trên chỗ.
Okay, treats are down. Cold but not rainy morning. Her water dish didn't need to be filled up, and I filled up her dry food dish, and there she goes to check out breakfast. We're at the Lutheran Church, and Collie is on the decorative fence, just sitting there not moving. Jay's putting the food down. We won't hang around to see if she's going to come over or not because, well, it's cold. Well, maybe she's going to move. I don't know. Come on. Come on, Collie. Get your body down. She's, well, maybe. Okay, we're going to go. We know you'll come over and eat, okay? On our return, Collie's still here at the Lutheran Church. Jay's going to put treats down in the on the cement curb in the back parking lot. Don't know if she'll come to them while we're here. Probably not. We're over at Whispering Hills Ranch, and the peahen is on the hay bale. Her 2 pea chicks were also with her, but they jumped down, so at this time they're out of sight. But she's here. Well, okie dokies, we're gonna head on our way. Don't think her two pea chicks are gonna return anytime soon. Anyway, she's here. Back at Fluffy's and treats are going down. There we go. Hey, Speedy. Excellent.